Let me start off by saying there are some great food choices in Highland County. But when I hear breakfast, a light goes off for me, and here in Hillsboro, there's a place that opened in the early 2000s that serves up some of the best breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the state called Momma's. Bobby and Jaretta Barr own the cafe and purchase all their eggs, breakfast meats, and produce locally. Their hamburgers are becoming talk of the town. Awesome ribs, prime rib, well, that can only be topped by Momma's made from scratch biscuits and homemade desserts. But for me at Momma's, it's all about breakfast.
Yeah.
And I got my favorite breakfast this morning. 2 eggs over medium well, bacon, sausage right here from Highland County, wheat toast, and a little bit of gravy. I'm going to enjoy it. Make sure you stop and visit this place when you come by.